Lab test will help you and provide the right.
Not regular test, regular monitoring.
Not regular online monitoring.
Online monitoring.
Oh, really online, no?
Yeah. Online monitoring is not less. They need to provide.
So this is why I am saying this is current safeguard. We are change कर देते हैं यार. तो regular lab test वही है. यहाँ I'm putting here
NH4 and pH.
Recommendation is used more than one time. Do you want to create new? Yes.
All these three.
pH and
No, but for monitoring.
Okay.
Nothing
Okay.
Yes,
It's not safeguard, huh?
With the continuous operation of the plant.
It will not help you.
Daily basis.
No, accumulation. See, this will increase slowly.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying that even lab test will tell you there is something. So we can take credit, but I'm putting the recommendation. It will not help you. Then I said none. Right?
How much cost is the warranty?
Okay, guys. So now I think we have done very good discussion.